When you've been in a relationship with a narcissist, you know how draining and manipulative it can be. They thrive on control and attention, leaving you feeling depleted and questioning your self-worth. But once you break free, there's something empowering about taking back your life and showing the narcissist exactly what they've lost. If you've walked away from a narcissistic relationship, it's time to focus on yourself and get your power back. Here are 10 ways to make a narcissist regret losing you. First and foremost, the most important thing you can do is focus on yourself. Narcissists expect their former partners to crumble without them. But the key to making them regret losing you is to thrive. Throw yourself into self-care, whether that's through exercising, exploring hobbies, or improving your mental health. When a narcissist sees you doing well on your own, it disrupts their narrative of control. They believe that you would struggle without them. Now you can prove them wrong by flourishing. Your independence will make them question their decision to lose someone who has the strength to grow without their influence. Another powerful way to regain your power is by cutting off all contact. Narcissists feed off attention, and even negative attention can fuel their ego. By going no contact, you're sending a strong message. You don't need them. Whether through blocking their number or removing them from social media, creating distance allows you to heal and leaves the narcissist wondering what you're up to. It frustrates them because they can no longer monitor or control you. This silence from you can speak volumes and plant seeds of regret. Additionally, it's essential to avoid any public displays of anger or bitterness. While it might be tempting to lash out or post about your heartbreak on social media, doing so gives the narcissist exactly what they want, proof that you're still emotionally invested. Instead, show that you've moved on without any need for drama. Keep your social media clean, positive, and full of posts that demonstrate your happiness and growth. Narcissists hate to see their former partners thriving without them. They expected you to dwell in misery, and your ability to keep things classy will catch them off guard. Building a strong support system is another crucial step. Narcissists tend to isolate their partners, making you feel like you only have them. Now is the time to reconnect with friends, family, and supportive individuals who lift you up. Surround yourself with positive influences and people who remind you of your worth. Narcissists regret losing those who can stand on their own. When they see that you're not only surviving, but thriving with the help of a solid support system, it punctuates just how little control they have over you anymore. Pursue your passions and career goals with renewed focus. Narcissists tend to minimize the achievements of their partners, belittling their successes to maintain a sense of superiority. Now that you're free from their shadow, this is your opportunity to shine. Whether it's climbing the career ladder, learning new skills, or dedicating time to a passion project, put your energy into things that make you feel accomplished. The narcissist will notice your achievements, and it will likely eat away at them that you're succeeding in ways they tried to prevent. Another way to make a narcissist regret losing you is by improving your appearance. This isn't about superficiality, but about reclaiming your confidence. Narcissists often criticize or control the way their partners look. Now is your time to wear what makes you feel good, hit the gym if that's what you enjoy, or try a new hairstyle. When the narcissist sees that you're glowing and confident, they'll be reminded of what they lost. They never expected you to blossom after the breakup, and seeing you look better than ever will shatter their inflated ego. One of the most effective things you can do is maintain an air of mystery. Narcissists are incredibly curious about the lives of their exes. They love knowing that you're still thinking about them. But if you stay silent, don't share too much on social media, and keep your personal life private, it drives them crazy. They'll regret losing someone whose life they can no longer infiltrate. The unknown is unsettling for them. The less they know about what you're doing, the more they'll wonder, and the more likely they are to regret letting you go. Showing forgiveness, not for them, but for yourself, is another way to reclaim your power. Narcissists want to believe they left a lasting wound on their ex-partners. But when you show that you've moved on and have forgiven the situation, it robs them of that satisfaction. Forgiveness doesn't mean excusing their behavior. Rather, it's a way to let go of the emotional hold they have over you. When you demonstrate that their actions no longer affect you, it underlines their loss, as they expected you to hold on to the pain forever. Living your life unapologetically is also key. Narcissists often demand control over their partner's choices and decisions. Now that you're free, embrace the things that make you happy without feeling the need to explain or justify them. Travel, explore new opportunities, and make decisions that serve your well-being. When the narcissist sees that you're living boldly and unapologetically, it will remind them that they no longer have any control over your life. This is a powerful source of regret for them. Lastly, one of the most impactful ways to make a narcissist regret losing you is by finding genuine happiness. Whether that's through new relationships, personal fulfillment, or simply living in peace. Narcissists expect their former partners to remain fixated on them. They can't fathom that you could find happiness elsewhere. When you show that you're truly content, it's a blow to their ego. They will regret losing someone who has the capacity for joy, love, and fulfillment, things they were never able to provide. In the end, making a narcissist regret losing you isn't about playing games or seeking revenge. It's about reclaiming your power and showing them that their control over you is broken. By focusing on your growth, self-worth, and happiness, you not only heal, but also leave the narcissist to reflect on what they've lost. They expected to keep you under their thumb. Now they see that you're thriving without them, and that's something they'll never be able to control again.